Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great today. So far, it's been a really good day for me. Got some stuff in the mail. I got a 16 Lodge camp oven that I've been wanting to get for a long, long time. And then went and got the stitches and everything out of my arm and my hand. And then I got a notification I had some more stuff, so I went and picked it up. And it was the Blacklock Ultimate set that I won. And there's the Dutch oven. Here's the brazier. That thing's nice and heavy duty. Got the grill pin, got the reversible grill. Got the fryer, which is cool looking. I like the fryer. There's a book in there. And I won these in the Lodge Recipe of the Month. I can't remember which month I won, but then you get put into a random drawing at the end of the year for the big prize, which was this one. And it also came with 3 Blacklock skillets. And yes, I can count, but we've got the little one. We've got the 10 1/4 inch. And then we've got the 12 inch. But I have the big one. This is one that they took and discontinued, and I went out and got it before they stopped selling them. So I've got a little bit more than the Ultimate set, so I guess it'd be like the Super Ultimate set or something like that. But anyway, it's been a great day. I can't wait to use these. I know I'm going to use this one for the skillet lasagna that's coming up on this month's challenge.